The vector a bar is given in the cylindrical coordinate system as a bar is equal to 2 cos phi ar bar plus 3r a phi bar minus 4 az bar. So convert it into the Cartesian coordinate system. This is the problem. So here a bar is given in the cylindrical coordinate and we have to find out, or we have to convert it into the Cartesian coordinate system. So first we the vector a bar expressed in Cartesian coordinate system, the general equation. So first is vector a bar can expressed in Cartesian coordinate system as general expression for Cartesian coordinate is a bar is equal to ax bar plus ay bar plus az bar. This is equation number 1. Now here we have to find the values of ax, ay and az. So we have to find values of ax, ay and az. Now what is given? Given is a bar is equal to 2 cos phi ar bar plus 3r a phi bar minus 4 az bar. This is given. This is equation number 2. Now the general expression, this is given in the cylindrical coordinate. Now the general expression for the vector in cylindrical coordinate is cylindrical coordinate. It's given by a bar is equal to ar bar plus a phi bar plus az bar. This is equation number 3. So we compare this equation 2 and equation 3. Compare equations 2 and 3. From that we get the values of ar, a phi and az. So value of ar is 2 cos phi, a phi is 3r and az is 4. These are the equations 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now we have the equations of the vector transformation. Okay, so we use these vector transformation equations for finding the further values. So we have equations of vector transformation. So what are these equations? Equations is ax is equal to ar cos phi minus a phi sin phi. This is equation 7. Ay is equal to ar sin phi plus a phi cos phi. This is equation 8. And az is equal to az as it is. This is equation 9. These are the general expressions which are used for the vector transformation. Now we will put the values of AR, Phi and Az in these three equations. So put values of AR, Phi and Az in this equation, that is in above equation 7, 8, 9. So therefore Ax, what is Ax? Ax will be 2 cos phi. Value of AR is 2 cos phi. Ax is 2 cos phi. Here it is cos phi, so cos square phi minus value of Fi is 3r sin phi. Next is Ay. Value of Ay, AR 2 cos phi sin phi plus Phi is 3r cos phi. This is equation 10, this is 11, and Az is equal to 4 as it is. Now we get here three equations, Ax, Ay and Az. Now we have to express these terms, that is cos phi and sin phi, in the form of x and y. So here we write, we have to express sin phi and cos phi in terms of x and y for the Cartesian coordinate. So to express this sin phi and cos phi in terms of x and y, we use the conversion formulas. For that, we use conversion formula. These conversion formulas we already know, that is x is equal to r cos phi, y is equal to r sin phi, and we know that r is equal to square root of x square plus y square. So these are the equations 13, 14 and 15. So from equation 14 we get r is equal to sin phi is equal to y by r. So from equation 14 we get sin phi is equal to y by r. So y divided by value of r is x square plus y square. This is equation 16 and this is 17. Okay, now from equation 13 we can also write cos phi is equal to x by r, that is equal to x divided by square root of x square plus y square. This is equation 18. Okay, now we have the values of sin phi and cos phi. So we put these equations, that is equation 17 values of sin phi, and equation 18, that is values of cos phi, in equation number 11. Equation 11 means this equation, that is in equation 11 as well as in equation 10. So here we write, put equation 17 and 18 in equations 10 and 11. So our equations will be ax is equal to 2x square divided by x square plus y square. So we put values of sin phi and cos phi in equation 10 and equation 11. So minus 3 square root of x square plus y square dot y divided by square root of x square plus y square so here our equations will be, this remains as it is, that is 2x square upon x square plus y square minus, it get cancelled, so minus 3y. This is equation 19. So next, similarly put equation 17 and 18 in 11. So we get the values of ay as ay is equal to 2x upon x square plus y square dot y divided by square root of x square plus y square, this is square root, plus 3 into x square plus y square dot x divided by square root of x square plus y square. So the equation will be ay is equal to, this is 2xy, square root get cancelled, so x square plus y square plus 3, it get cancelled, plus 3x. So this is our equation 20. So here we get values of ax and values of ay in the terms of x and y, in the terms of x and y, and we know that az is equal to 4. So this is equation 21. So we put these values of ax, ay and az in equation number 1, that is general equation for the Cartesian coordinate system. So we put next problem is use cylindrical coordinate system to find area of the curved surface of right circular cylindrical where r is equal to 20 meter, h is equal to 5 meter and phi is in between pi by 6 to 2 pi by 3. So this diagram is cylindrical surface along the z axis. This diagram shows the cylindrical surface along the z axis, as here in problem h is given as a 5 meter. So this is height, value of r is 20 meter which is given. So it is here we have to calculate the area of curved surface. We have to find here the area of curved surface. For such a surface, value of r is constant, that is 20 meter. So derivative of this is 0, that is we will write here we have to calculate here we have to calculate area of curved surface. So for such a surface, for such surface r is constant, that is equal to 20 meter. That is dr is equal to 0, that is its derivative is 0. So next is, from diagram it is clearly show that the cylindrical is placed along the z axis. So the height of the cylinder is given, that is h is equal to 5, so z is equal to also 5 meter. So here from diagram it is clear that cylinder is placed since cylinder is placed along z axis, which is height of cylinder, that is h is equal to z is equal to 5 meter. So we know the equation for differential surface area. Now differential surface area for this type of surface, for such a surface is given by dsr is equal to r d phi dz. So the surface area, this is in differential form, so the surface area is equal to s is equal to integration of dsr. So s is equal to integration of phi, value of phi in given problem is from pi by 6 to 2 pi by 3, from pi by 6 to 2 pi by 3, that is from 30 degree to 120 degree. This is for phi, and for z integration, z changes from, z goes from 0 to 5 meter, 0 to 5 meter, r d phi dz, that is equal to, value of r is 20, which is constant, so it is taken outside the integration, phi pi by 6 to 2 pi by 3 d phi into z from 0 to 5 meter dz. Now we will put, so this is 20 phi pi by 6 to 2 pi by 3, and z chain goes from 0 to 5, that is 20 into bracket 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 6 into 5 minus 0. So our equation will be 20 into, this is, by solving this we get here the values as 3 pi by 6 into 5. So we will solve this and our final answer will be 50 pi meter square. This is our final equation.